Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a unbagging. It is Ipsy. So I thought they lost my package or something, or it wasn't sent to me because I updated my new address and I got it last month, but I didn't get anything this month. But my mom brought me this package because it was sent to my old address. So that's confusing, but I already updated it. So anyway, let's unbag this. I kind of just opened really quick because I want to see the bag, but I haven't opened any of the products and I don't even know what I'm getting. So if you don't know what Ipsy is, I will put the website in the description in the bottom. It's just something that you pay $10 a month for, and you get about 5 products. Yeah, just about 5 products. You take like a little questionnaire, and hopefully you'll get stuff that you are interested in. So anyway, so I always like to get the little card out, and the card is Swoon So Hard. So I guess this is the theme. I don't know, the themes have been kind of weird lately, but this is what the card looks like. So that is that. And then the bag looks like this, which I'm actually, hey, shh. So the bag looks like this. It is so cute because it's a vinyl, which I love because it's so much easier just to clean your bags if you get any makeup on it or anything on it. It's so easy to clean. I love the lipstick lips, which if you guys follow me on Instagram and follow me on Snapchat, you see that I have like the little lip emoji on it. I'm a lipstick girl, so I love lipstick. That's like my favorite thing of makeup. So this really represents me a lot. And then here it says Ipsy, and yeah, that's about it. So we're gonna go ahead and open and see what's inside here. But before we do that, they did put something in the bag because it wasn't gonna fit in the actual bag. They put it in this bag. So this is what it looks like. I am so excited because it is a brush, and if you guys don't know, you can never have enough brushes. I love brushes, and look at this. I love the way this looks. Like, it's like an ombre. It's like a pink, and it goes down to like a lighter pink, and it kind of looks like a gold right here at the tip. And then it comes with the little net just to put it in. This is by Farah, I guess. It's Farah, Farah, and it's 50F, I guess. It's a really soft brush, so I feel like this is nice for like to powder or to even put like blush on. But it feels really nice and soft, and I love the way it looks. It is pink right here, and then it's white on the bottom. That is really cool. I cannot wait to use that. So now let's go ahead and open the bag up to see what's inside. So the first thing I'm going to pull out, it is called PS Cosmetics Citrical Infused Nail Lacquer. Now, I really don't like to get nail polish just because I get my nails done all the time. But sometimes the polishes that I have gone from are really cool and interesting. I give them to the girls because they like to polish their toenails or their own nails. And sometimes I just take it to the nail salon and they'll just polish my nails with this. But I really like this color. This is like a really pretty purple, which is so weird because my nails are purple. But that's a really pretty purple. That is so cool. And that is in the shade, I don't even know if it says the shade in it. It just says that it's a products are infused with grapefruit seed extract, which is weird. That's cool. Which is known for medical uses as a antifungal. Oh, that is so cool. Like, it has all the medicine so you won't get any fungus on your nails or anything like that. That is freaking pretty cool. Okay, so let's go to the next product. The next product is Be Bright, is a illuminating concealer. This is by Koki, which I believe this brand is sold at Walmart. I've never tried any of the products, but I cannot wait to try their concealer to see how this is. This is in the shade medium beige, so I feel like this is a really good shade for my underneath my eyes, which I'm excited to use. Let's see. Okay, next product. Ooh, yes, I love Pixi. This is a Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner, which I think is so cute. There's a little bottle right here. I've been wanting to try this out for a while now, but Pixi, they usually just sell it at Target, and Target, to me, like the closest Target is 45 minutes away. And sometimes when I go to the city, I really don't stop at Target unless I necessarily need to. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I can't wait to try that. I actually had pretty good things this month. Last month was not the greatest. And the last but not least, this is by Kenzie Life Beat. This is, what is this? Looks like this though. Piper. Then what is this? This is a this is a perfume. Life Beat. Ooh. Hold on. I did too much. Ooh, this smells good. This smells really good. Oh yeah, I can see myself using this. Like, the scent is not bad. So yeah, that is it, guys, for what was in my Ipsy bag for this month. I actually like everything, and I will be trying everything out. If I can say my favorite, I don't know what would be my favorite. I was gonna have to say between the brush and the Pixie, because I want to try that product. But all in all, I like every single product that was in my bag, and that is about it, guys. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you're new, don't forget. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.